Yeah, I really do understand where you're coming from. It's really nerve-wracking what we're doing, and the room's vibe is really heavy, and I'm pretty sure the rest of the people in the room as well is feeling that vibe. But I'm pretty sure that the people who's watching us right now do understand that what we're doing is something that's really serious, and it's a lot. So let me ask you a question, Mr. T. Your ethnicity is mixed, right?
Yes, my mom is Filipino, my dad is Portuguese.
Irrelevant, Your Honor.
Yeah. Tell us a little more about that.
All I know is my mom is from the Philippines, my dad is from Brazil. I was born and raised in San Francisco. Never really learned life beyond what I know.
So, sa US nga nangyari yun. Ayan, doorknob yan, oh. Chipipay pala yung mga hotel dyan. Ayan, grabe nga. Alam nyo, yung doorknob na ganon, huling kita ko pa yung bahay namin sa Makati. Ganon yung doorknob eh. Alam nyo, ang daling distrongkahin nun. Si General Moranas, si Makana.
However, identify as a Filipino.
Yes, there's a really discernible voice in the audio saying that it's too big. But yeah, before we get to that though, what made you want to send me that audio way back March?
Well, I saw your video when it first blew up and thought the story seemed like a very familiar one. So I started going down this rabbit hole and realized you were talking.
Pwede kong lagyan ng ano to eh. Para marinig, para makuha yung totoong boses. Pwede ko i-extract sana eh.
About a high-profile couple that I had encountered in a private sex
Exage na
That
exage.
is why I reached out.
Right. Just so the audience would know who we are talking about. We are talking about Bangag and Lisa Tanas, right? Okay, please continue.
So, yeah, I realized you were talking about them and had seen how the media in the Philippines was deliberately not covering the story and how their supporters were saying you were spreading fake news. I just knew I had to reach to you to let you know that I believe you, such that I had been an active participant on one of their parties.
I really do appreciate you for reaching out to me first. I know that must have
Ano
taken
daw?
The story seemed like a very familiar one. So I started going down this rabbit hole and realized you were talking about a high-profile couple that I had encountered in a private sex party. That is why I reached out.
Right. Just
Private sex party eh, no? Pero kasama daw siya. Oh.
so the audience would know who we are talking about. We are talking about Bangag and Lisa Tanas, right? Okay, please continue.
So, yeah, I realized you were talking about them and had seen how the media in the Philippines was deliberately not covering the story and how their supporters were saying you were spreading fake news. I just knew I had to reach to you to let you know that I believe you.
Okay, gets ko na. Di ba nagpakalat? Di ba? Tapos, since hindi niya napatunayan yung una niyang bintang na kung saan involved si FL Liza, ang napakamahal nating si FL Liza, involved daw doon sa ano nga ni Tantongko. Ngayon, para siguro ibalik yung credibility, kahit wala ka namang credit, para magkaroon ng konting credibility. Pero sablay, ay, matagal na ito. I've watched this vlog. Ni-revive lang with added scenes. Tukmol talaga.
Such that I've been an active participant on one of their parties.
I really do appreciate you for reaching out to me first. I know that must have taken a lot of courage to muster up that kind of courage to actually message me first about that audio. Now, Mr. T, can you please take me back to how you have gotten into this deal with them?
Okay, I remember it was towards the end of November 2023.
So 2023, current nga, okay.
During the San Francisco Festival of Light, I got a text message from one of my guy friends that a couple was looking for a second guy to attend a private party. I immediately knew what they were looking for. I remember
Parang pang-upal eh, no? Magkakaroon ng ng private sex, definitely pagka nasa ibang bansa si PBBM, tingnan nga natin kung ilang SPG. Based on available reports regarding President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr.'s official trip in the US, there is no specific publicly released numbers of President. Kahit approx lang, ito naman no, kuripot magbigay. During his multiple visits to the US, including trips to New York 2022, Washington, and May 2023, and APEC Summit in California, November 2023, a security team is provided, but the exact head count is classified for APEC Summit yun eh. Kaya, hindi lang may PSDC PBBM. May provided yan din ng US. Di ba? Alam niyo kung kanya. Anak ng tipaklong, oh. Pucha. Kalokohan eh, no? Taglish pa. King ina ito. Maniniwala ka ba ron, Tita May? Na nakalusot yung ganong klase ng party? Paano mo makokontrol yung safety doon? Di ba? Kung sa Pinas inorganize yan, pwede. Baka maniwala kami. Pero sa US, biruin mo, you have to move mountains para hindi yan maibalita. Di ba? Bibigyan ka ng security ng US. Tapos may PSG ka. Tapos, pucha, sa labas ng pinto sigurado may security ka. Ngayon, kung papasok yun doon, pucha, what the heck? Paano mo nagawa yung kwentong yan, brother? Baliw yata. Hindi, pero sigurado ako may bahog sa isip to. May bahog to. Mama Maria Marilyn Imbido Bautista, shout out.
We're having a hard time finding the guys because the guys needed to sign an NDA.
An NDA, a non-disclosure agreement, right?
Yes, and guys don't want to
So, ano ng NDA? Nagpirma daw.
deal with that kind of stuff.
Video niya lahat, pero yung NDA, hindi man lang kinuha ng pinicture. Refresh daw. That means, matagal na itong nangyari, pero matanda na si PBBM doon. Bobo talaga yung nga, no?
Drama. I asked my guy friend if we're going to be compensated. And he said yes. I told him I was down for it.
Wow. Okay. Take us to when you first got to meet them.
I pulled up to the location they sent me. It led me to a luxury hotel, the Fairmont. I was greeted by a security.
Fairmont daw. Tingnan nga. Saan yung Fairmont? Fairmont. Pucha, nag-Fairmont Hotel kami. Pucha, parang palasyo yun. Fairmont Hotel. Dito Fairmont Hotel in New York. New York ba? Ano sabi niya? Saan daw? Saan pumunta sila PBBM? In California. Okay. Hindi New York, California. Oo, kita mo. Alam ko yan eh. Fairmont yan eh. Pucha, ganyan datingan ng Fairmont oh. Pare-parehas halos yan. Oh. Nakita mo ba yung interior ng Fairmont? Tapos sasabihin mo ganyan. Pucha ba? Nakita nyo ba yan? Baka ganun nga yung doorknob dyan. Oh, kama. Malamang dito nakaupo. Oh, nakita nyo ba yung suites? May living room doon. Yung room, mas malaki pa. Oh, titingin tayo ng pinto baka ganun nga yung doorknob eh. Nakita nyo yung mga moldings? Nakita nyo yung mga moldings? Wala, malayo Brad pinagsasabi mo? Ang sarap mong kaltukan. Oh. Room interior. Di ko na nilakihan Ganyan yung doorknob. Sa Fairmont. Oh, yan pa. Yun. Oh, hindi Fairmont yan. Hindi Fairmont yan Oh. Oh, hotel room door chain lock review. Santo. Dalmen's Club. Oh. Pipitsugin lang yan.
He said yes. I told him I was down for it.
Wow. Okay. Take us to when you first got to meet them.
I pulled up to the location they sent me. It led me to a luxury hotel, the Fairmont. I was greeted by a security. I introduced myself, to which
So, binatira ng security.
after they immediately had me sign the NDA.
So, sa security, yung security nagpapirma din ng Fairmont, California.
That's when I saw all three of them going at it.
Going at it meaning having sex in a group setting.
Yes, I really didn't know who they were. Though the lights were dimmed, I could clearly see their faces. There was one lady and two guys. One of the guys welcomed me in and said, "Welcome to the party."
Welcome to the party. Party yung pero dalawa. One lady and two guys. Fairmont. Teka lang. News reporting around APEC mentioned a number of big San Francisco hotels were hosting and delegations during the event, including West, St. Francis, Fairmont, Ritz-Carlton, and Marriott. Okay. President released an arrival statement. The bottom line, there is no definitive public record stating which hotel PBBM personally stayed at during APEC 2023 in San Francisco. Journalistic coverage and protest reporting suggest members of the Philippine delegations were at major hotels like the Ritz-Carlton and JW Marriott. If you need, I can dig specific mentions of the leaders. Okay, please. St. Regis yung karamihan din ng China. Tapos Westin. Hotels known to be in the APEC zone. Fairmont Hotel. St. Regis, Xi Jinping. Wala naman to. Security and diplomatic protocols means many leaders' exact accommodations aren't publicly disclosed. O yan. So, si mukhang nandun si Joe Biden sa, sabi rito, Fairmont. O, so, imagine niyo na lang yung security dyan sa Fairmont. Sabi rito Oh. So, si Joe Biden reportedly nasa Fairmont. Oh. So, President Joe Biden. Ayan, So, most probably, nandun si Joe Biden. Di imagine niyo na lang kung gaano kadami tao dyan. Kung gaano kadami security.
But it's not really a party until the sausage is out.
And so that's when you started recording the audio.
It's not actually just an audio. It's a splice of an audio recording from a long video of the meetup that I recorded from my pocket.
Okay, so when you got into the room, what was happening in the room and what led him?
So sa NDA, ano kaya mga doon sa pwede kang, tas pwede kang mag-video, ganon. Di dinisclose ang exact location for security reasons. And then, pero chances are, nga di ba Boss B, let's say there are 3 hotels. Ilan yung world leader na nandun eh. So syempre, para medyo distributed yung security, di ba? O let's say, most probably, merong nakasama sa isang hotel si PBBM. O let's say it's not Joe Biden. O most probably another world leader or presidente ng isang bansa. Imagine yung security nung ano na yun, di ba? Imagine that, yung security nung hotel na yun. Yung security sa pinto na yun. Kung maluwag yung security ng PSG na bitbit ni PBBM, definitely, yung security na provided by the US, malamang, hindi ganun kaluwag.
Into saying that it's too big.
They were hours in the party already. I got in late. The other guy had to leave. It was only just the 3 of us that were left. We played around a little bit. Then that's when the lady asked me to put it in him again. I didn't really know why he said it's too big, when I've been doing that to him the entire night.
Wow, I can't imagine. Did you at least use protection?
I used protection the entire time. He tried to take it off at some point, but I said no.
Kwentong bakla! No offense, man. Pero kwentong bakla. Sensya na.
And yeah, I arrived for the 4th time, and that's when I had to tap out.
Grabe, ang tatanda na niyan. Ang tatanda. Ang tatanda na, nagto 2 hours pa. Kalokohan ng putya. Hayop eh.
Okay, hold on. That was a lot. Okay, give me a second. All right. Oh, what am I seeing here?
That is me lying on the bed, telling them I was booking an Uber to head out. She told me I don't have to and that someone will take me home. But I insisted on booking an Uber.
Okay, hold on. I am totally not ready to see this. This is a surprise for me. So
alam niyo kung kunyari may mga mayayaman, no, dito meron din akong alam ng mga kwento-kwento eh. No, yung mga mayayaman ng mga Russian, na mga babae na may edad. No? Pero hindi 60. Yung mga 40 plus lang. No? Tapos putya, high profile yung mga lalaki. Ito, putya, sila kumuha ng pipitsugin ng putya. Namumroblema pa sa Uber ang puta. First time, ganon.
guys, people who are watching at home, what we're looking at here is a video of Mr. T recording himself, well, the room actually, and we have Lisa Tanas walk by, and she's butt naked. That's what's in the video. And then while so you told me that this is supposed to be you booking an Uber, but you're not actually booking an Uber, but you're actually recording.
Uber ginanon pa eh. Kaya pala, kunyari. Pantalas silang nila yan. Ginagawa. Pinapaasa yung mga DDS, no? Boss B. Ang baboy ng mga DDS. Baklang mga yan.
What is that thing that's moving up and down though? It's pretty close to the camera.
That's him playing with my thing while I was waiting for my Uber.
Okay, we need to stop for a second.
Bakla ka? Hindi mo pa rin alam ko. Bakla yun ha. Tapos tinanong paano, Boss Angel Stop? Boss Angel Tops, bakla yun ha. Tinatanong kung ano yung nilalaro ng paganon. Ano yun? Ano yan? Ano yan?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that we had to cut that off for a minute. That was actually a lot. I'm
Ulul.
an entire hour of just talking about that. It's just too much. I'm not entirely sure if we should actually go through with the live, but
Tingnan nga natin kung talagang parang nag-u-Uber lang. Tingnan ko nga. Baka mamaya di ka naman nag-u-Uber dyan ha. Oh, ibilisan na ulit natin to. Binagalang ko kasi. Nag-u-Uber ba yan? Mukha ka ba nag-u-Uber dyan? Ay tutok na tutok. May ilaw pa eh. Pa-virgin ang baklaan po siya. Oh. Oh. Oh, tumayo eh. Oh. Dapat pala kinatkat ko na yung mga pinagsasabi niya eh. Para hindi na tayo nag-aantay-antay ng ano eh. Oh, ayun oh. Nag-Uber. So naka-videong ganyan. Steady hands. Ano yan? Hindi, kaya halatang AI eh, di ba? Kasi yung AI, steady hands yun. Tingnan nyo naman ha. Pag ano yun, may movement man lang eh. Yung ano niya, akala mo na nakalagay sa tripod, tapos yung pag ano, smooth na smooth pa eh. Apa, tingnan nyo. Baka sabihin nyo, nagloloko ko eh. Oh, yan ha. Oh. Oh. Oh, yan. Guys, pwera na lang kung DJI or action camera yung pinangkuha dyan. Steady hands. Di ba? Tingnan nyo, pansinin nyo yung headroom niya, nung umisteady na, hindi talaga tumataas baba eh. Pero animated yung usok O, tingnan nyo. O, yan o. 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 O, steady hands. Steady hands. O, zoom out. O, steady hands.
It's not that. It's just I have to know.
Ulul. Guys magkakaroon, malaki yung, very significant yung shake niyan pagka sinum in mo, tapos sinum out mo. Diba? Nag-zoom in eh. Alam nga namang nag-u-Uber ka, kunyari nag-u-Uber ka, tapos nilapit mo yung telepono mong gano'n, sabay nilayo mo. Siyempre nag-zoom in. Pag sinum in mo yan, yung pag-press mo, magkakaroon na kagad ng konting shakes. Pero wala doon, di ba? Oh, anyways. Anong to mo? Gago. Ayop ka. Oh. Hanggang dyan na lang tayo. Maraming salamat po sa lahat, syempre. Kita-kits tayo bukas. Hanggang dyan na lang po. Ayan, gagong mga kabaklaan na yan po siya. Alam nyo, di ba kagaya na sinasabi ko ay wala akong sama na loob sa mga bading. Di ba? Yung anak ko bading. Pero ito yung mga nagpapaano ng mga bading eh. Nagpapasira sa mga bading. Yung mga ganyang kabadingan. Anyways. Shoutout po sa lahat. Thank you very much. Guys, Hindi ko na kayo maiisa-isa. Ha? Maraming salamat dun sa ano natin. O, yung mga gusto ng video, hindi, okay lang. Kunin nyo na lang dito. Kasi dito pinagtabi-tabi ko na eh. No? Pinagtabi na natin, niliwanagan na natin. Hindi na natin kailangan frame by frame. Try ko i-frame by frame, ma'am. Sa ano. Tapos, sige na. Kita-kits. See you on the next live stream. Bye for now.